Namaste, Daaji. It's a huge, huge, huge honor having you.
Well, I wish you do everything with passion.
Hmm.
You see, because without passion, even spirituality will fail. Swami Vivekananda says, "Give me a man of passion and see what I can do." So passion is not wrong.
While there are many paths of spirituality, how do I know if I am on the right path towards spirituality?
Well, it's a fundamental question that we all go through whether I'm on the right track or not. You will know it only when your ever-changing consciousness
Hmm.
is it's a sign of it's a witnessing sign that my consciousness is changing, my experiences are changing, I'm becoming better and better person, my negative qualities are going and I'm becoming more influenced with such qualities like love and compassion, and more people will come and say, wow, there's something different with this person. Then you say, wow, thank god I'm becoming better with this practice.
I want to know how to be detached from the material while living within a materialistic world.
Well, I wish you do everything with passion.
Hmm.
You see, because without passion, even spirituality will fail. Swami Vivekananda says, "Give me a man of passion and see what I can do." So passion is not wrong. See, attachment is not wrong. Many people say, "I don't want to earn money." What is wrong with earning money? If you don't make money, then the other negative elements in the society will end up making money, and you are supporting that with proliferation of negative elements. So I would wish that you should make money. Nothing wrong with it, but spiritualize your material efforts. Meaning, anytime you do anything, bring God into the equation, bring divinity into the equation, meaning bring love into whatever you are doing. And is love possible without passion? I don't think so.
What is Samadhi?
Ah, Samadhi, in short, if you are looking for a literary answer, it's a word in Sanskrit meaning some plus adi. Some equivalent to adi means original state. What original state? That was prevailing before the creation. So, absolute balance that prevailed before the creation. If you can experience that absolute balance, where you are not shaken, you are not disturbed, not just during meditation, but that becomes your life. That is
Hmm.
samadhi to me. And it
Hmm.
can change. It can change until you achieve the highest. So, as I was saying, you cannot have absolute purity all of a sudden. Likewise, you cannot have absolute samadhi all of a sudden. It comes in incremental doses as we practice more and more.
How to decide whether an act is forgivable or not, and are all acts forgivable? How to forgive?
It's a difficult thing to forgive. We have to see the situations at every moment, what caused it. And if I cannot forgive, also, I have to understand how long I want to harbor this toxicity in my heart. By not forgiving, who is getting hurt? Is it the other person or myself? Other person may have forgotten you altogether, but you're holding it in your heart. So they say it is easy to forgive, but not forget.
Hmm.
So if it remains in your mind as a memory, there is nothing wrong with it, because when someone really does hurt you, or let us see, I have fire, I get affected by a fire. It teaches me not to touch the fire. If you are affected by some bad experience by someone, I should not forget it, but I should not hold it as an emotional baggage and hold that person ever in a negative way, because it only toxifies me. It only creates toxins in my system.
Hmm.
With heartfulness way, we have methodology how to get rid of all these past baggage in a very simple way. So once again, I urge you guys, Try this out and see how easily it can remove all this toxicity.
How do we know the difference between an intuitive voice and a negative voice inside our own heads?
What we call discriminative faculty of a human being, as we evolve more and more, there are individuals who understand that if I do such and such a thing, it is not going to bring about good results. They know ahead of time. There are certain individuals who would, while going through that particular process, they will understand, oh, whether I'm doing right or wrong.
Hmm.
And if they become aware of it, that I'm doing it wrong, they have the ability to stop it. Some people, they say, oh, I already started it. Why? What is the point of stopping it? And some individuals, to me, they, even after they have gone through it, doing a wrong thing, they still don't get it.
Hmm.
So this is again a difference in how evolve your consciousness is all. So to improve our consciousness, once again, I cannot emphasize more and more the importance of meditation. It helps us, first of all, how to discriminate what is right, what is wrong, what is beneficiary, what is not beneficiary, what is causing, what is the effect, what is profitable, what is a loss situation.